good, y'all? We're out here tonight on a beautiful, beautiful night. Yo, where's the camera going? We got some of the guys tonight. We're going out on a nice cruise. I don't know what we're gonna get up to, but we'll see what ends up happening. We're gonna shoot some flames on the highway. We're getting another GTR out. We're getting some Hellcats out. We got an M5. Look at this M5. Beautiful M4. Beautiful M4. And I don't see no front plate, which is good. We got my Nissan Altima. McDonald's M4A. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. David's M4. What's up, guys? We got David.
David again.
David again.
David and David. So what's up?
We got Attila back here, man.
What's up, guys?
We got all the boys.
That's good.
I don't know where this is gonna go. We got the drop off. Look at that thing. Holy aura. We're in advance. You gotta say to the camera.
Boy Niraj from NNP Platinum Auto Sales. I own a dealership near this guy.
Are we racing on the highway or what? Are we running it back?
I don't know, bro. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. We never ran it the first time.
Yeah. Well, the other day, I was driving and I hit a curb really bad and I curved the wheel, but I don't know if you guys can notice, I actually Sharpied it right here. It is what it is, man. Obviously the best of us. Someone commented nail polish, but I guess I could have done that, but it's too late now. But I think we're gonna get going here. Yeah, let's get some sick highway shots. Jeez. This is gonna be sick, man. Here we go. It's only a matter of time until the cops hear this shit. Yo, he's single-handedly terrorizing the fucking streets. That's so loud, what the fuck? We're hitting up the highway right now, and then we're meeting up with another GTR, my homie, and then 2 Hellcats, so it's gonna be sick. All right, y'all, made it to the first spot. My boy pulled up with his GTR, we're twins. Look at this shit. Look at this lineup, dude. Yo,
The vlog,
what's
the
going
vlog.
on? Introduce yourself,
Hi, I'm, they call me Joe. I'm actually driving the Altima, yeah, that's right. Like a golf cart motor, put it in, and yeah, it's got like, you know, 80 horsepower.
I guess we'll see what the golf cart motor does tonight.
We'll see.
We got 2 M4s, 2 GTRs, 2, wait, and it's 2 of everything. 2 American Muscle, 2 Japanese, 2 German.
See that? It's a 6.2 supercharged V8. Okay, it's manual too.
And that's gonna see my rear view.
Sure, bro.
I'm gapping that in reverse.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I can run faster than your reverse.
No.
Put money on it.
I'm
right now.
neutral.
Yeah, because you're heavy. No shit, I'm running.
This is gonna be the new vlog camera, bro. My old camera literally just died and it ran out of battery and it died and then it ran out of battery. All right, guys, we're going downtown Toronto right now. Here we go. Here they come. Shit. Holy shit, God. Oh. Oh. God. Bro, look at this lineup. What the fuck? Bro, this shit is so sick. Soon this is gonna be Lambos though one day. And yeah, man, I don't know. We're going to the first parking lot, then we're gonna go like right downtown. We're just gonna vlog, have a good time. And we've been ripping this poor car, bro. I'm driving this thing safely after this. We got the GTR twins, bro. We're about half an hour away, man. But the fun part is in the drive, dude. Like, we're having a blast. Oh my God, yo, we just had some girls screaming for us. You don't have to believe me, but just believe it. We're at a new spot right now. This one guy's messing it up, dude. Who is that guy? Oh, that's sick. I think we're gonna go downtown and get some food and shit. Get some food. And what's happening, bro? What's happening?
Just got here, bro. This view is beautiful, bro. Look right into the eyes.
Oh, yo, notice how both the M4s got their lights on. I was just trying to org fucking
Ore farming, bro.
Ore farm out here. Look at everyone out here, bro. What kind of, such a random motive, but it worked, I guess. Getting some pizza today?
It's just for pizza, bro.
It's pizza. We're gambling today. Audie's shooting on an iPhone 5 for some sick clips. Let's see what you got. That is nice, bro. The iPhone 5 might be the meta. Like, everyone was sleeping on this back in the day. It's so cool.
Wait 1 second. That's not yours.
Don't tell me you got flames.
No, I didn't get
okay.
no flames. That's it.
Oh, that's so tough. Alright guys, the pizza was great. We got a till in the back. Going downtown, man. Look at, what's that? What's that? Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I do flip cars and shit. Yes, sir, man. Launch it. I'll give it some gas for you. I'll give it some gas.
She sounds like an ass. Right there.
Oh, I actually don't. Oh, that's an M5.
That's a real car right there.
Damn, I need new brakes, dude. Just watch.
Wow.
Eurus pulled up. What was he saying?
No, I know him.
Oh, you know him?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Downtown Toronto. Nice chill night. It's a freaking vibe. It's got a sparkle in the paint. That's so sick.
I'm pretty sure this thing, yeah, it's the SE. So it's a new edition.
New one?
Yeah.
Interesting. Newest Eurus?
That's like, yeah, literally this year.
Wow, we got Hellcat, GTR, M4. I think we lost David. It's a vibe, dude. Sick vibe. Fire night in Toronto. We're gonna run up more of these vlogs. Anything you guys want to see on this channel, let me know if it involves cars, car flipping business, anything like that. Any questions you have, drop down below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you boys in the next video. Have a great day. Peace.